Good evening, guys. Welcome to my channel. So, this is Jinx, and you are looking at the gold trade that I've been engaging recently. I want to quickly show you my execution blotter. So if you look at all these, the gold trades, and there is one loss over here because I accidentally clicked the sell trade instead of look at it. I accidentally clicked the sell button instead of buy, so I had to quickly close it because the market was going up and um, I couldn't stay in that position, so I had to close it, and I closed it at a loss. But otherwise, in the matter of 2 days, I made a profit of 10, 7, 5, 42, 20, 11, 16, and minus 13, which I accidentally clicked. So gold market is actually going up. So let me quickly show you uh, my trade. So this is my position. Where is it? So guys, if you look at gold, it's going through this channel at the moment as per my analysis. So when I bought the gold, I bought it at a price over here. What is it? Let me click that. Okay, so I bought it at 3.9, and I'm being ambitious and trying to sell at 2670. I bought it at 2639. I'm planning to sell at 2670. So normally, guys, my account is 2000. Let me show you my money. So my account is only $2,000, and I want to make a 2% profit on it every day. So normally when it hits $40, I would like to close the position because I don't want to get greedy and lose all the money. But today I just want to make 100k profit, just to feel good about myself. So I just want to make like I want to make $100 profit. So now it's currently trending at like $90. But I've been waiting for a very long time to see that. So where is my yeah, so at the moment it's over here. What I am thinking, if you look at a 4 hourly chart, it's going in an upward trend. So usually it goes up and goes down, and then it goes up and then it goes down, and then it goes up and then it'll go down. Uh, so this is the channel I'm looking at. So it's gonna go like this, and it's definitely gonna touch 2670. That'll give me good amount of profit. But once it crosses 2660, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set a stop loss at 2660. So if it goes below 2660, I'm gonna take profit over there. And then if it crosses 2770, like, let me show you, I've set some price alert product accounts. So let me show you some price alert that I put for myself. So I'm aiming to ultimately take profit at 2670, right? So at 2660, once it crosses that, it will be above $100. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set a stop loss over here, and then let it go for 2665. And once it crosses 2665, I'm gonna set a stop loss at 2665. I'm gonna move it to here, and then I'm gonna wait for it to touch 2670, and maybe I will move the stop loss higher and set a stop loss here. I don't know. So that's my gold plan at the moment. And I want to show you, like, I've opened like the for the FTMO challenge. They gave me, look at here, it says FTMO platform. They gave me a demo account, and this is C Trader, and I'm doing the exact same thing. But when I bought the gold yesterday, I bought it at a higher price, like 2650. So that's why it's still showing loss, because the gold is still at 2649. So it's still showing a $25 loss, but I bought it and it went really low, and this morning it was showing like a $400-500 loss. But I knew it's gonna come up. But I'd opened two accounts, but in FTMO account you can only make a max profit of 700 a day. So I had to close the second trade, but if I had both the trades going, I would have made really good money. But because of FTMO restriction, I closed the other trade. And it's kind of trending upward, and even in this I am aiming to take profit at 2670. So let me show you. So I'm gonna make a profit of $500. I don't know. I hope so. But I am very sure this market is gonna go up like that. Why do I think like that? Because I showed you in my. It's very difficult for me to analyze the chart on C Trader. I still use my CMC Markets to look at the chart. Another place where you can look at the chart is TradingView. So that's it, guys. And because FTMO challenge, you have to do uh like a trade every day. Like for 4 consecutive days. That's also one of their rule. So I just opened like a small trade for like 0.05 lot, and I was expecting it to make profit, but it's going against me. But I've left it there because it is a necessity to do like 4 trades consecutively on 4 different days as a part of the challenge. So yeah, guys, that's my gold trading strategy that I shared with you. I'm not a professional trader. I'm, in fact, this is like my second, third month of trading, and this is my understanding. Basically, I looked at it at multiple time frame, and I saw it is going upward, so I bought it. And I, even though it was going like 400 loss, 500 loss, I just let it go, and now it's slowly coming up. And that's what I am doing, and I just wanted to share how I'm doing. So the gold at the moment is showing for me like 94 profit. I just wanted to achieve that $100, like I made a profit of $100. But I'm just gonna let it go, and once it crosses $100, I'm gonna set stop loss over there. I basically, I'm doing things without stop loss because it's of on a long term upward trend. That's why I was daring enough to not put a stop loss. But after I achieve what profit I want to make, I'll put a stop loss over there. That's it, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.